because it can crush things since it is to hold stuff tightly, and it is also made for using other tools. There is also a bar called a handle that you can adjust the tighten. Also how big the object device is holding. For example, this wood. Okay, two types of vice, like this big vice with two little handles here and here. It is supposed to adjust the place. Like you can move it. If you're right-handed, you do it here. Yeah. And there is also a vice that is the same height as the table. Like some vices can start with over here, so then that's a vice. But you can't cut the inner side of the table. You should also clean the vice every 2 weeks because it might get dirty because of the tiny pieces of wood. Because over here, once you put the wood in here, then it gets dirty right here. Then yeah. You use the vice for making things, and also you can hold things. Because if you saw, you might get a splinter from the wood you're sawing. The vice is pretty rough, so it will not break easily. Wood, bolt, metal, cardboard, all work for cutting, especially rusted stuff. On top of the vice, there's an anvil, which is here. This is the vice holder, and this is the anvil. This anvil is not like a real anvil, and it is when you accidentally bend something. For example, I accidentally bent this wood. You can use a hammer and make it back. It only works for this big anvils. It won't work for table anvils. The vice is a pretty cool gadget, and it helps us a lot in life. For example, it can help us to have that strong grip on the metal or anything that is not too long that the vice can reach. Summary, we learned about all the great stuff that we could do in the vice, and why would you give it a try? Plus, you could buy it from Mr. DIY.